Hello YouTube, back at it again. I wanted to do a little walk around. There she is. Let's wait a little bit. Un momento, por favor. Want to see, let you guys see in the boot. Because I'm gonna address that. I need to address that. Why? See, that's my gas tank. I got a little rust here in this corner. Here I can zoom in. That's the max. Zo, en somebody is, hoe is het ingebouwd of waar die was ingebouwd? Nou, daar is hij ingebouwd. Autoservice LPG-diagnose. Let's zoom in a little bit. Spare tire tank. Now, and that side doesn't look so bad. You need to scrub it down and the wire with the wire brush. Okay. So for that, I'll take you guys under the hood. So far so good. Can start her up for you guys. First start of the day. Put this one here. Got myself some oil, not needed yet. Lucky me. Standing on dingen, maar toch niet helemaal daar. I don't know really how much fuel is in it, so I'm gonna tank. No momento. So, now you made that ook nog eens mee, guys. It happens sometimes. A few teeth are crooked, so now I have to use my trusty wrench. Using my trusty wrench. 22. And the thing is, on this side I can wrench the motor. See that? She's spinning now. Ah. I had one time that I was turning and this was slipping. It's easy on through. Trusty wrench. I think that's enough. I hope that's enough. Ah, I need a new flywheel. That don't happen. That didn't happen a long time. Still there. Oh, in a momento. So we need to turn her even further. So my trusty Mercedes is not so trusty at the moment. Now the weather is nice. What if it is minus, you know how much? And cold and snowy, and you're standing still on the sand of the road. It must be enough. Always was enough. It must be more than enough. And if not, oh, I'm gonna do it some more. That's the only solution I can think of. Okay, start it up. Not running. That's it. Trusty wrench. Nou, ik heb dat ook eens even meegemaakt. Oh, he's running now. I wanted to get the hood protection off because it's crumbling. I'm not quite there yet. Not running that bad in the morning or in the afternoon. Can take it for a little spin. Now there goes now. See the smoke in the morning. I don't get my money with these. You hadden we even kunnen tanken. This high? But then you got my beard. Need to vacuum her and clean her. It's a beautiful day for a drive. I need to go to the eyesight mechanic. Yeah. Opticien. I'm gonna switch it over. Switch over. Oh, I got a full tank of gas. Police and helicopter. Something. Something. Accidental. Because you cannot just start up the car and then shut her up. No. have to do a little rondje. Ah, hey. What is dit, you guys? Grote vrachtwagen. Let the boy pass. Een staartje in en I have to do a how you call it, a JC bun. JC bun in my beard. Oh yeah, yes. I wonder, there was the one guy who asking about the gas thing. How it was built in of waar het gebouwd was. One of them. And thank you for the subscribe. Means a lot. Feels good. Always does. Some sort of dopamine. Every time you get some subscribers, it's like an addiction. Ah, it's like an addiction. Oh, almost home met de casa. Hello. Hello. Oh, she's so nice. Maybe zometeen moeten we nog even naar de opticien. We're gonna walk around and see how the smoke is now. Almost at the temperature and running on gas. A little high. Ah, no more smoke. Smoke gone. That's a good thing. Now I want to show you the hubcaps. Which one do you guys prefer? Well, I only have 3 of them. But 4 of them, 3 good, 1 of them. Wanna put that one on. That one was, gonna put that one on. Beautiful. Very nice. Can you give you guys some smoke? Well guys, thank you for watching, and see you in the next ride. I'm gonna take out that one. Hello.